I was already a photographer when I first stepped into the darkroom. I've been shooting film and was excited to learn how to turn my photos into prints. But I didn't start with negatives. I started with photograms. Just a piece of paper, a few found objects, and a light source. That is how I first learned to use the darkroom, and I still come back to them today. A photogram is a print made without a camera. You place objects directly onto light-sensitive paper and expose it under the enlarger. Opaque objects block the light and leave white shapes. Translucent objects let some light through and create softer tones and textures. Every material behaves differently, and that's what makes it so much fun. One of my favorite exercises is a found object challenge. I give myself 5 minutes to grab anything I can, like tracing paper, thin fabric, leaves, bubble wrap, and then I arrange them on the paper and see what happens. The results are always a surprise. Over time, I also started working with themes. For example, I loved how a dandelion looked in a photogram, soft and full of detail. So I used it in a series of prints to create other images. In one, I scattered the seeds so they seem like they're drifting across the paper as if lifted by the wind. I explored using multiple dandelions and arranged them at different distances from the paper to try to create a blur and sense of depth. It became a quiet little story told with shadows. Just one of the great things about photograms. You can make just one or you can build a whole idea. So whether you're just learning in the darkroom or you've been printing for years, photograms are a great way to experiment, play, and see light in a new way. Try one or make a series, and if you do, I'd love to see what you create. If you like the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much.